At its core, the importance of belief in the context of your mental health lies in its power to shape your thoughts, your feelings, and actions. Think of your beliefs as the foundation upon which you build your life. If that foundation is strong and supportive, you're more likely to feel secure, confident, and resilient. But if that foundation is shaky, filled with cracks of self doubt and negativity, then everything built upon it will also feel unstable. Limiting beliefs, on the other hand, are those negative assumptions we hold about ourselves, or others, or the world that restrict our potential and hinder our growth. They often stem from past experiences, societal conditioning, or even things we were told as children. And these beliefs can become so embedded that we don't even question them. We simply accept them as truth. But is it?